Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create an intro with your iPhone.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
So first things first, you guys, you're going to want to click on Magic Eraser. Then you're going to select a photo of your choice, which you want to be the main thing of your intro. So I chose this photo. And you can make the adjustments to crop it, whatever you choose. I find cropping it allows the erasing the background a little bit easier. So that's what I'll be doing next. Now, I did not erase the background as good as I wanted to because I just wanted to show you guys really how to do this. So that's what you're seeing me do right now is editing the background, aka erasing it, because you want it to be a transparent photo. I'm pretty sure you can probably get the background to be transparent another way, but this is the way that I learned, and I found this part to be the most tedious of it all. And now that you have finished, you want to make sure you're saving it as a transparent background. So you're going to select that one and click high resolution. And now we're going to move into the next step. The next step is clicking on the Phonto app. This is where we're going to create the green screen. Please disregard this because I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So I want you guys to click on the camera icon, click on plain image, and you're going to select that black one. Then you're going to click on color, slide all the way to the right, and click on the lime green color. Then after that, you're going to click apply. Then click the save little button and click use. Then you're going to click the three lines, and that's when you are going to select add image. And when you select add image, you're going to select your photo that you did that is the transparent background. Then you're going to click done. Then you'll move it to wherever you want. In order to make the size bigger, you're going to have to actually click on it and click size. This is where you'll be able to make it bigger to however you're liking. And then once you are done that, you're going to save this as a PNG. Now that we have that, we're going to move into the next app. The next app is Motion Portrait. Click on that and then click on Library. And this is where you will pick that green screen that you just created in Phonto. And once you select it, it will automatically go towards your eyes. You can maneuver around. I just leave it alone. And then I click OK. And then as you'll see next, you'll be able to see how it looks when your eyes are opening and closing. And after that, you want to click on the little movie icon so that way it's recording it. And I just let it go for a few seconds so that way it's long enough for my next process. You want to click on the three little dots because you are going to save this. And now we'll move into our last app, the Pocket Video. Select YouTube Vlog. Then click the little arrow because this is where you will pick a photo of your choice. I had already had one saved. So I'm going to click Photos and then go into my album and select that photo to use. And now that it's loading, then we'll go into the next step. You want to click on where your photo is so that way you'll see the icons. Click on Video Sticker. Then you click Add. Click Camera Roll. Select that green screen. And then, you can edit it. I keep all of it because it makes it a little better. Click Done. Once it's in there, click Mask. Click on where it says Green Screen. And then click Check Mark. And then you can move it around however you want. But it's totally up to you. I move mine over to the right because that's just where I liked it. And then we'll move into the next step. After that, you'll click Add again. This time, click YouTube. You want to search for liquid green screen free or whatever type of background you want, but make sure you're able to download it. And then I'm just going to pick any one of my choice, and then I'll show you guys how to maneuver after that. So now that it's in there, I am going to slide this little arrow where the green screen starts. This is very important. And then after that, I'm going to slide it again to where the green screen kind of ends. And then I'm going to click out. And then I am going to hit done. And once this uploads, this is very important too. You want to make sure you size it where the actual photo is. And you're going to repeat the same step. Click mask, click green screen, and then that way it is in there. And I say it's very important because if you don't match it up, your green screen background won't match what you already have there with the photo in the motion picture. Now I'm just making sure I actually placed it in the right thing just to see if the green screen took. And then after that, we're going to add a title to this. And I forgot to mention, please make sure you're hitting the check mark as you go, because this will just take you to the next step. So once we're back here, you're going to click on text. Then you're going to click add. And then this will take you to a lot of different fonts and styles, however you choose. I just picked something at random. It's totally up to you. And then once you do that, it'll move you back here. And the yellow square is there because you can't really see it. It's going to show you how you want it. So like this is kind of like being able to resize it or not size it. I feel like if you do it prior, you get confused, because as you'll see, I'm going to show you guys, I got confused and end up doing this process again because I couldn't see the font. So I just recommend waiting to resize it once you get the color and the font of your style, because you'll get confused like I did. And now you'll see, as I was saying, I was like, wait, what happened? So two of my things end up popping up. So now I'm going to show you guys this part. When you're moving it, please make sure you are not moving your actual green, not the green screen, the watermark coming in. Because see, I end up doing this, and as you see, I'm moving it back. So please make sure when you are selecting, because I got little chubby fingers, my fingers will end up hitting different things. So just make sure you're not selecting the watermark thing, because that can really ruin it when you're trying to actually view your actual intro. So that's just another great tip. And that is basically it. I don't add music off of here. If you have iMovie, I would just recommend saving this to your iMovie and then adding some copyright free music to it and then uploading it as you go. And make sure you just save it, because then it makes it easier when you're doing your videos as you go. So that's pretty much it, guys. Hope you liked this video. It was not hard to do. Once you maneuver, just play around in those apps and you'll really get the hang of it. Yeah, so hope you guys like this video. I'll see you guys tomorrow in day 23. Boom!